One of the world's largest oil and gas companies had a problem. Fired heater tubes in their vacuum unit were overheating badly. After multiple failed operational fixes, they came to IGS. The root cause? Phase separation. Vapor and liquid weren't mixing evenly at the heater outlet. Instead, vapor alone was passing through the top of large horizontal roof tubes, superheating due to poor heat transfer. Tube metal temperatures were hitting 596 degrees Celsius, far above safe operating limits. IGS delivered a non-invasive fix, a proprietary ceramic insulation wrap designed to reduce heat flux and eliminate hotspots. It was custom fitted to the upper 180-degree surface of the large 8 and 10-inch roof tubes, exactly where vapor-induced overheating was occurring. The wrap was secured using high-temperature wire, and the entire application was completed inside the heater during a planned shutdown, with no structural modifications required. The results were immediate. Tube metal temperature dropped by nearly 190 degrees Celsius. Heat flux was reduced by 90%, and thermal efficiency fully preserved, with just a 12 degrees Celsius rise in flue gas temperature. The overheating issue was eliminated. No revamp needed. Throughput increased, reliability restored.